definition of terylene or dacron. Terylene or dacron is a polymer which is obtained from monomers terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. The name itself is giving us hint about these compounds. So if we break down the name, terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol names are mixed together. As there is more than one monomer involved here, more than one repeating unit, therefore terylene is an example of heteropolymer or copolymer. As in the monomers, there are functional groups. This is acidic group, must be containing COOH group, and this is alcohol, must be containing OH. Therefore, condensation reaction occurs between them, and therefore terylene is also a condensation polymer. Let's see the reaction now. Terephthalic acid is an isomer of phthalic acid where the COOH groups are present at para positions in this manner. N units of terephthalic acid react with ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is ethane 1,2-diol. Once again taking N units and heating this at high temperature and pressure. Water is removed. It is a condensation reaction. This OH goes with this H, giving us an ester. A carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol to give ester. Similarly, this OH also goes with some other H from some other ethylene glycol. Similarly, this H also goes with some other OH from carboxylic acid. So now let's write down the structure. Here we have C double bond O. Then we have a benzene ring. Once again C double bond O. Attaching to this oxygen here of glycol, CH2, CH2, and then one O remaining. Bond repeated N times. This is the partial structure of terylene or dacron. Once again, monomers are terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. Terylene has ester linkage. Many ester linkages keep repeating in this polymer. Therefore, terylene is an example of polyester. Once again, polyester is used as a fiber. It can be used in textile industry or it can be used as wrinkle-free clothing. Clothing that does not need to be ironed. Wrinkle-free clothing. These are the uses of terylene or dacron.